discount offer ending soon. Use AFFI B2A07 code to get $7 off discount plus get 3 bonuses free. How we went from newbie to generating thousands of dollars affiliate commissions with ClickBank and WarriorPlus 2021. 44 high-quality video classes. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Proven fresh method to increase sales. This guide will walk you through every new and fresh method to get high sales. Beginner friendly. We went from struggling newbie to super affiliate at record speed. See below. One-time payment, no upgrade. We offering you learn basic to advanced affiliate marketing secrets with affordable price and damp. One-time payment. AFFI B2A. Our AFFI B2A, basic to advanced affiliate marketing video course package comes with a special 7-day 100% money-back guarantee as well. Why you need to purchase AFFI B2A? We're Chris and Damp. Soggle. We went from raw beginner ant to powerful multi-million-dollar generating super affiliate in less than a year. And today we're here ready to teach you our affiliate marketing success secrets. Open letter from Chris and Damp. Pradeep Soggle. Meet Soggle, an affiliate newbie who finally escaped the single quote 9-5 rat race and generated $1,493,482.70 affiliate commission in 2021. These are Soggle personal results. We started our affiliate marketing journey with no money, no experience, and no email list. We went from newbie to generating thousands of dollars affiliate commissions with ClickBank and WarriorPlus 2021. We teach you how. Screw the dreaded single quote 9-5 rat race. I realized it was never going to cut it. I needed a way out. And fast. Working until 65. If I even made it that far. Working towards some lame social security payment which may not even cover heating plus food bills alone. That terrified me. Started my own agency, my income increased but my stress went 50x through the roof. I started running FB ads for local companies. It actually started off okay, but as I tried to scale I realized I'd effectively given myself 20 new bosses, instead of one. In fact, it was getting to the point it was even more stressful than my old 9-5 job. I went from a struggling, frustrated newbie to generating consistent $5,000 minus $10,000 days affiliate marketing on ClickBank. All by selling super, simple digital products as an affiliate. Ignore the social media fake it till you make it attitude. Screw the Lambo. On social media we see the perfect life. But honestly, do you really actually believe it? Yes, the people posing beside the Lamborghinis, staying at the perfect holiday resort, looking cool, wearing designer label clothes. Come on, that's not what happens in real life. I think the cold hard truth is, many are living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how they are going to pay next month's rent. Or worse still, even afford the weekly food bill. I love starting and testing new ClickBank campaigns. I do $1,000 minus $2,000 day. How does that sound? AFFI B2A. Money buys you freedom. Escape the rat race. Imagine not having to submit your life to the grind of the dreaded rat race, working a 9-5 till the day you die. Take the morning off. Want to lie in bed? Take the morning off and just go for a morning coffee in the sunshine. You can do that. See your kids grow up. Imagine getting to see your kids grow up in their youngest years and not missing those most important moments. Look after your health. Imagine having money for healthcare for your family and loved ones. Choice of freedom. Imagine choosing to do what you want, when you want. Screw the guru's Lamborghinis. Isn't freedom to do what you want, when you want not more important? Imagine not having to waste your time. No more writing blog posts. No more organic reach FB posts that. No waste your money for testing method. No more faking it till you make it. No more wasting hours on endless free traffic loopholes that never work. Trust me, I've tried most of the above, and all it did was make me more frustrated and angry. We use a simple single quote 4-step cycle formula.